Once upon a time in Asnières, within the historic trunk-making workshop, imagination returns to its source. The trunk. The house's first reason for travel, with a key to time in its wake. From this emblem of departure came its companion, a silhouette inspired by the original Louis Vuitton trucks, conceived in 1929, created to carry the house's most precious creations onward. The Louis Vuitton Camionnette. Revived once more, it sets off again, making its way across Paris. Its singular shape is punctuated by the house's signature colours, saffron and Sibylline blue. From Asnières to Geneva, it continues its journey, marking its passage, until it arrives at La Fabrique du Temps, Louis Vuitton, where time comes to life. The winding gesture sets it in motion, echoing the hand cranks that once awakened engines at dawn. A Swiss movement claims the driver's seat, bringing legacy to life. An object of time, born of heritage, crafted for today, carrying its beginnings within.